Hey, Dr. Hasina, my name is Kim Singro, and we are from Group 20. We are doing the dataset 2, the Tableau churn dataset for our Tableau project, and we're using the AD ratio because it contains more observations. Our first business rule is our customers with international plan or voicemail plan churns more. So first of all, we need to create a calculated field for our churn because the churn is a binary variable, true or false, and cannot be meaningfully compared across groups in its raw form. So we're going to create a churn rate here. We're going to make it to the form of percentage. Okay, so for the plan, we have international plan and voicemail plan, right? And we need to create a plan type because it allows us to analyze the plan combinations rather than the isolated features. So we can see which plan type customer churns more. And we can apply filters that we can filter out the customer with different error code. And we can also change the color of the churn rate. The second business question is, how does the frequency of the customer service calls affect the churn rate? And we need to create the customer service call because the customer service calls are discrete number rate values, and plotting them individually would result in a cluttered and noisy visualization. So we're going to bring groups of customers into ranges of call frequency. We can apply the state as the filter to study, like in different state, how much does the customer service calls affect the churn rate in the certain state. So for example, the company wants to study the state AL, so they can see the data visualization for the certain state.
So hi, my name is Hui Xuan, and I will be presenting sheet 3 and sheet 4, which shows the relationship between account length, total call minutes, and churn rate. And I will also briefly explain how I created this graph using Tableau. So for the sheet 3, to create this graph in Tableau, I open a new worksheet and drag the account length to the column shelf. And for the churn rate, I drag it to the row shelf. And then after that, I use circle marks and place the churn rate on color and size and added a code as a filter. So finally, I formatted the chart and added the title. So for this account length vs churn rate, this chart shows that customers with shorter account lengths generally have higher churn rates. As account length increases, the churn rate becomes more stable, although there are a few spikes for very long-term customers, and this suggests that new customers are more likely to churn, while long-term customers tend to stay unless other issues occurs. Okay, and then for the sheet 4, total call minutes vs churn rate. To build this graph, I drag total call minutes to columns and churn rates to rows. Change the mark type to a line chart, added state as a filter, and I use color to highlight the higher churn rates. So the churn rate stays relatively low at moderate call usage, but increases sharply at very high total call minutes. So this suggests that heavy user may be dissatisfied, possibly due to higher charges or services issues. So in conclusion, new customer and very heavy call user are the highest churn risk groups, and these segments should be prioritized for retention strategies. So thank you, this is all from me.
Okay, my name is Mohammed Nakidin, and now I'm going to present about the sheet number 5 and the dashboard number 2. So, as you can see on my screen here, is a graph showing a workspace containing a bar chart titled Total Call Charges versus Churn Rate. And this visualization is designed to analyze the relationship between how much the customers are billed and the likelihood of the customers leaving the service. The bars are color-coded based on the churn rate. A lighter orange indicates a lower churn rate, while a dark red indicates a 100% churn rate for the specific charge bins.
Now I'm going to develop the first dashboard for our project. So we also can use the interactivity element in the dashboards. For example, I want to see other data visualization that's filtered only for certain plan, like international plan or voicemail plan only. So for example, I press this, the frequency of customer service call data and the account data, they will also cater to the international plan customers data only. So yeah, the company, they can study based on their requirement.
And for the bottom chart, this chart is a total call charge. This is a bar chart comparing total charge on the x-axis against the churn rate on the y-axis. And for the pattern, the customers with total charge exceeding approximately 73 units show significantly higher churn rates, frequently hitting 80% to 100%. There is a notable 100% churn rate at the lowest charge bins, 23, while charging between 39 and 71 show relatively low stable churn. Okay, so we're moving on to dashboard number 2. As you can see on my display, there are two kind of graph, and the top graph is the total call minutes versus churn rate. This is a bubble chart where the x-axis represents the total call minutes and the y-axis represents the churn rate. There is a clear positive correlation as the total call minutes increase beyond the 650 marks minute, and the churn rate rise sharply, increasing 100% at the highest usage bin, 850 minutes. Hello, so we are from Group 20, and this is the analysis of customer churn behavior. And for my group members, we have Lim Zinro, To Hu Xuan, and Muhammad Nakidin bin Jamsuddin. Okay, so we're moving on, and this is the customer characteristic and service interaction that influence the churn rate. Okay then, so this is how the usage pattern and billing cost can affect customer churn. This is the type of plan that affect customer churn. Okay, and then so this is how the call charge affects the churn rates. Okay, so for the conclusion, based on the analysis, there are several key factors contribute to customer churn. Number 1, customers subscribed to international plans are more likely to churn. And number 2, with a higher frequency of customer service call is strongly associated with churn. Number 3, customers with longer account tenure shows a higher tendency to churn. Number 4, higher call usage increase the likelihood of customer churn. And lastly, number 5, higher call charges significantly impact customer dissatisfaction and churn rates.